cool.
That is about as big as, I mean, without going too close to the edges. Now, you do have this, oh, you do have the kids, I get it.
The pickup's at 4, but the traffic's insane. So, you want me to help over in your car? You want me to
I mean, this looks like it'll be done in a second.
Yep.
So, this ain't no long thing. I thought it was going to take way longer. No.
Okay, here we go.
Let's do it.
3, 2, 1. No, it was supposed to be a tactile puzzle for students. My student's grandmother had dementia, and doing these puzzles was a way to. So she made these puzzles for her. She was the 2019 year. It was good for you.
That was a very good year, actually.
It looks like a brain, so
Yes.
Bruh, you nailed it.
Oh.
You nailed it.
Hot dog.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to run it again just to make sure it's like sealed in. Like, because it's just burning in.
Yeah.
Signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
We got some old Stevie Wonder vinyl in the house. I got an old West Montgomery that I inherited from my granddad. Didn't even know it was under the in his basement. Had no idea.
Dude.
Yeah.
Dude.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got some stuff.
All right. We're just water and make sure it doesn't wash off.
Okay.
Because in theory, if it does wash off, then we have to
gotta start over.
start
When I'm sad, comes to me.
It's a normal thing. I mean, if you buy it.